Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change currency on MetaMask. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by tap and open MetaMask application on your device. Make sure to log into your account by entering your MetaMask account's password. Once you are logged into your account, from the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Tap on General from the list at the top and tap on the little drop down right under currency conversion. Select the currency you would like to change to, and then you have successfully changed your MetaMask account's currency. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.